everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a delicious Thai dish with you, Massaman Curry with chicken. Let's go into it. Okay, heat a pot, add cooking oil, about 4 spoon Massaman Curry, but depend on how much spicy you like. Okay, for the curry, I'm using this brand. I opened it upside down, just sorry. Then we're going to stir fry with coconut milk. Then give it a stir, until you get aromatic sense. Then add chicken in and cook for just about 2 minutes. Then add 2 cups potato. I prefer cut into a chunk. Then add 2 cups coconut milk. Wow, see, it look nice already. So we have not add any seasoning yet, just cook potato until they get a little bit soft for about 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, add a cup of onion, a tablespoon palm sugar, a teaspoon white sugar, a tablespoon fish sauce, quarter teaspoon salt, and 2 handfuls of toasted peanut. Alright, then continue cooking until all of vegetables are fully cooked. Yep, that's it. You're good to go. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please like my recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram as well. Enjoy. Bye.